Scrappy friends, welcome back to day 9 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christie's Beautiful Life Series 14. I am using Vicki Boutin, I think it's Storyteller. Um, you tell me. I think it is Storyteller. And there's also a little bit of Bramble Fox in this as well. Sketches up there on top right. This one's by Jessica Fen Hill. Really enjoyed this sketch. I have swapped out the 2 smaller photos for a frame, a pair of frames, but you see that shortly. What I'm just doing here is just building the layers of paper up at the bottom, along the bottom of the page, just to give the base. I then decide that with all the mixed media that's going to go on in the background, I'm going to say all, it's not tons, it's some ink and some stamping. I wanted to kind of mute out and give this bottom layer a grungy look as well. So I just get my palette knife and just smear on some white acrylic paint. I do have it overlap one of the edges as well. And then with that layer, that's then going to be my base. Now I'm just taking those perspectives out of the packaging. So I've got some packaging to do, the packaging technique. Just start off with this, is it Seedless Preserve? Can't see on my screen because my screen's quite small, but I think it's Seedless Preserve. I then realised I'm not actually quite sure if I'm putting the mixed media in the right place. So I build the cluster, or the photo and the embellishments. I stick it all together so I can then place it on the layout and know where I need the embellishments, the mixed media even, to go. So you see there, I've got these frames. I'm just going to stick that alongside of the photo, and then this vase as well. The photo is a picture of a mirror as we came out of the lifts in the Holiday Inn in East Kilbride last June. And on the mirror, it's got this little saying about smiles spreading. I can't remember where it was. And it just really made me smile. So I had to take a picture of it. So I'm just drawing around here the edge of where that paper layer at the bottom goes. And the lines are just within where everything is. So it's kind of going to, everything's going to be placed back over and you won't see the lines because it's underneath where everything is. So going back in with some more Seedless Preserve there, I also add more water and just flick the packaging to get some splatters instead of getting my paintbrush out. I think this is mustard seed, this green. No, that's not green, it's yellow. Mustard seed for the yellow, and add that on. And I normally let layers dry, so I'm just here having a fight getting the protective coating off the camera perspective that I'm using whilst I let the yellow dry, and then I'm going in with this green, which I think was the moss, something moss. I think, but hopefully you can see that better on your screen as you're watching because it's bigger than the one I'm on editing. So then I'm going to stamp and stencil and stick everything down. So just while the green's drying, just start sticking everything down. I've then got the T-square out just to make sure the photo's straight, which then means I haven't stuck the bottom bit onto that straight, so I'll just straighten that out. I'm now going to stick my title. I've been using this blue perspective from Bramble Fox, saying big smiles, because it basically is, what this picture's about. And then I'm just making sure I've got enough room to stamp and stencil without actually going over the top of things. So I want stamping and stenciling to come out from underneath. So I've pulled all them embellishments back up again. Just checking, finding the stamps I want to use, and then put them back in the box, which is bizarre. And using this coffee ring stencil there from Bramble Fox as well. So I'm going to start with the coffee rings. I'm really sorry, but I'm downstairs recording this and Mr. Ding's in the living room, and he's now just popping up from behind the laptop to try and make me laugh because he's a bit of a wally. So just doing the stenciling now with the coffee rings. I'm really sorry, he's being really daft. I usually don't do this when he's around. So just doing the coffee rings now on the background with the black soot distress ink, and yeah, just add them going around, going off the page as well. I then get these mark making stamps also from Bramble Fox, and inking them up with the black soot distress ink, and just putting them, randomly around the page, some over the coffee stains and some not. And then I decide I want to do first and second generation stamping all of a sudden when I've not done it anywhere else on the page. So yeah, that's my mixed media all done, and it is just now a case of getting everything stuck down. So we are nearly finished. There is going to be a playlist in the description for the 30 days of sketches, so please check out the description for that. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed what you're watching. You can't see me doing the thumbs up sign when I say that, so I don't know why I do it. And if you have enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments what it is you have enjoyed. Not sure what to say? Pop a scrappy emoji. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.